Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to finally try out this palette. I've been wanting this palette for such a long time and I finally got around to getting it. And I wanted to do something very quick, very easy, very effortless for you guys because I know a lot of times we don't have a lot of time to leave the house, but we still want to look a little put together. So I did skip out on liner and lashes. Of course, you guys can always do that to just kind of, zhuzh up the look, but yeah, we're keeping it very natural and very simple today. So if you want to see how I got this look, what shadows I used, and what I think about this palette, please keep on watching. So we are priming the eyes. I think I put a little bit too much primer on. This is the Anastasia primer. They only have one shade. I've gotten that question a bunch, but there's only one shade and it's white. So yeah, Okay, moving on. So we are using this palette today. I'm so excited. I mean, I am so excited. I've wanted this palette for such a long time. So it does come with a little brush, but we're not going to use that today. I'm just going to use the stuff that I already have. And what brush? I think this is always my struggle, just trying to figure out what brush I want to start off with, because I'm always so tempted to reaching for my normal Basanti brush, but we're not gonna use that one. So let's try my other go-to blending brush, which is this Morphe M502. This is what it looks like. And let's go in with this middle shade right here, which just looks like the most perfect transition shade. And oh, look at that pigment. Wait, was I blocking? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so taking a tiny amount and just really working this into the crease. Taking this color right here, I'm going to buff out the outer edges right here and then really work this color into this area. It's a really nice light pinky corally color, but the second shade next to it's extremely corally. And we're just going to work this up into the brows. Okay, going back in with the first shade that was in the transition, I'm just going to deepen this outer portion right here a little bit. Yep. So now I'm just going to buff and blend that in with the lightest shade. Yep. So I'm going to use the same brush. I'm not using any additional product, and I'm just going to lightly buff this onto the lid, kind of just pushing it in. So it's just a wash of color. And I'm going to do that right up here as well. Just wherever I didn't put any eyeshadow, I just want to blend things together. So I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to take a really small flat brush and I'm just going to take this color and run this on my lower lash line. I'm really just going to smudge it out. Taking the same fluffy brush with no extra product, I'm just going to buff and blend this in. So because we are doing a very natural, quick, easy look, I am going to skip out on liner and lashes, but you're more than welcome to obviously do that stuff. This is just something very, very quick. I really like the way everything is looking, and I don't want to take away from the eye look, so we're just gonna do mascara on the top, not doing anything else for this look. Nothing in the waterline, no mascara on the bottom, just keeping it very, very just kind of pretty, kind of fresh, you know, yeah, fresh. Let's go with fresh. We're also gonna go in with this palette. This is a blush and little contour palette. I mean, everything is pretty much just blush. Okay, so what do I want? I think I want to do, I've been mixing these two colors a lot, so let's do that. And just pop this right here, apples. And I've really been liking blush on top of my nose. All right, so I want to add a little bit more bronzer. We're going to use a little bit of this, which is Yara. The bronzer that I have on right now is my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in a light medium. So we're just going to try a little bit of this just to bronze up over here. I really haven't been too into highlighter, but let's do a little bit of this color right here. It's so pretty. It's just I don't even know how to explain the color. It's kind of like a baby frosted pink with a little bit of gold. Yeah, I think that's probably the best way to explain it. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush, the same brush I used to apply my blush. I'm just going to flip it on the other side and just add a small amount, just where the natural highlight would be. So right here. Right here. Right there. A little bit here. And I guess I should do the nose too. Very, very small amount. I normally always do eyeshadow on my inner tear duct, but I kind of want to skip out on it. Yeah, we're gonna skip out on it. Normally I do like to add a little bit because it just makes your eyes pop, but I really just want to keep this very, just kind of more on the matte side. So we're going to be done with this. What lip liner should I do? Ooh. Okay, so I lined my lips with MAC's Whirl. Add a little bit of Quickie from Colourpop and Makeup Shayla. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave my lips like this. You can add gloss if you want, but I think I'm just gonna keep it matte. It's really pretty. Alright guys, so this is the complete look. I really loved the way everything turned out. It was so easy, so simple, very, very effortless. You saw that I used practically just only two. No, I used 3 shadows, 2 on the top and 1 underneath. But this palette is absolutely beautiful. I have no complaints whatsoever. And yeah, I cannot say enough good things about this. So I'm very, very happy with this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, this look, this tutorial, and as always, all product detail will be listed down below for you guys, so it's a lot easier. And yeah, comment below, let me know what you think, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video.